Wait, stop. Do you know your real English level? Like, truly?
I think it is good. Like, it is okay.
Yeah, but okay is not a level, Lucas. Most people, they just guess.
Well, they're so long. I really hate them.
Exactly. That is the big problem. Long tests make you tired. You feel sleepy.
Yeah, I fall asleep after like 10 minutes.
Right. So today, welcome to English Pod Center. We are doing a fast test, 7 minutes.
Wait, just 7 minutes?
Just 7. If you are listening, you do it with us. Ready, Lucas?
I am a little scared, but yes, let's go.
Okay, level 1. Very easy. I say a word, you tell me the opposite.
Opposite, like day and night?
Yes, exactly like that. First word, hot.
Oh, easy. Cold.
Fast.
Slow.
Big.
Small. Man, I am a genius. This is too easy, Luna.
Do not be too happy yet. Here is a harder one. Always.
Always? The opposite of always is,
Think about it. Not all the time, but
Never. It is never, right?
yes, good job. Now, what about heavy?
Heavy, like a big box. The opposite is thin? No, wait.
Not thin. Think of a bird feather. A feather is...
Light. Oh, wow, I almost said thin.
See, it gets tricky. It is like a small rock in your shoe. Small, but annoying.
Yeah, my brain stopped for a second.
That is normal. Okay, next level. Sentences.
Uh-oh, I do not like grammar.
It is not bad. Just fix my mistake. Ready? She go to the store.
She goes to the store.
Bingo. Why is it goes?
Because it is she, he, she, it. You add the S or ES.
Perfect. Yes, I go, you go. She goes.
Okay, give me another one. I like this game now.
I have seen him yesterday.
I have seen him yesterday. That sounds okay.
Are you sure? Listen again. Yesterday.
Oh, yesterday. It is finished, so I saw him yesterday.
Yes. You cannot use have seen with a finish time like yesterday.
It is like a closed door. Yesterday is closed.
Wow. Yes, Lucas. I love that. A closed door.
See? I can teach too.
Okay, Mr. Teacher. Try this one. Look at these dog.
Look at these dog. Oh, these means many, but dog is one.
Right. So how do you fix it?
You say, look at these dogs with an S.
Or what if there is only one dog?
Look at this dog. Oh, I see. 2 ways to fix it.
Exactly. This dog, these dogs. Singular, plural.
This is actually fun. I am not sleepy at all.
Right? Short tests are the best. Okay, level 3.
Wait, how many levels are there?
Just 4. Level 3 is about listening.
Oh boy, my ears are bad.
Just listen. I will say a sentence fast, real fast, like native speakers do.
Okay, say it. I am ready.
What you gonna do?
Whoa, wait, what did you say? What?
I said, what you gonna do?
Whatcha? Is that even English, Luna?
Yeah, it's very common. It means, what are you going to do?
What are you going to do? Wow, that's so different.
Right? We talk fast. What are you becomes whatcha.
Like a sneeze. Whatcha?
Exactly. It's like your mouth is lazy.
My mouth is very lazy. So wait, gonna is going to?
Yes, Lucas, you got it. Going to is gonna.
Okay, give me another one. This is cool.
All right, listen carefully. Let me know.
Lemon, no? You don't like lemons?
No, not the fruit. Let me know.
Oh, wait, let me know?
Yes, let me know becomes let me know.
Wow, you guys eat your words. It's like hungry English.
Hungry English. I love that. Yeah, we just eat the letters.
So if I say, let me know what you're gonna do, is that right?
Perfect. You sound like an American now, Lucas.
Too easy. What's next, Luna?
Okay, so for the listeners, repeat after Lucas. Try it. Yeah, say it fast. Let me know what you're going to do. Did you say it? Good job. I hope they did. So is that the end of level 3? Yes. Now the boss level, level 4.
The boss level. I'm scared.
Don't be scared. It's about words, vocabulary.
I know a lot of words. Dog, cat, pizza.
Good. But this is about 2 words together.
2 words? Like hot dog?
No, like verbs, action words. We call them phrasal verbs.
Oh no, I hate these. I always forget them.
Everyone hates them because they make no sense sometimes.
Right, like why is up everywhere?
Exactly. So here is your test, Lucas.
Okay, hit me. Wait, no, don't hit me.
I won't hit you. Okay, what does give up mean?
Give up? Like I give you a box up high?
No, think about beams. You are losing.
Oh, to stop trying. Like I quit.
Yes, see? You knew it. Give up means to quit.
Oh, now I get it. Because you put your hands up.
That's a great way to remember it, actually.
So if I fail this test, I give up.
But you won't fail. Let's try another one.
Okay, I'm ready. Give me a hard one.
All right, look out.
Look out? Like look out the window?
Sometimes. But if I yell, Lucas, look out.
Oh, like danger. Be careful.
Exactly. It means watch out. Be safe.
Whoa, so look and out together means danger. English is crazy.
It really is. It's like a secret code.
A secret code. I like that. What about look up?
Good one. What do you think it means?
Look at the sky? See a bird?
Well, yes, but also if you don't know a word.
Oh, you search for it in a book or phone.
Bingo, you look up a word.
Man, Luna, I am so smart today.
You are. You are very, very smart today, Lucas.
Thank you, thank you. What is next?
Next is a test for you and the listeners.
Wait, a test? Now?
Yes, a very fast test. 7 minutes is almost up.
Oh boy, okay, I am ready. Hit me.
Okay, I will say a thing you do. You tell me the look word.
Like a game?
Exactly like a game. Ready?
Ready, let's go.
Number 1, you want to find your lost keys.
Oh, I know this. Look for.
Yes, look for. Very good.
Boom, 1 point for Lucas.
Okay, number 2, you take care of a baby.
Take care of a baby. Like look baby?
No, not look baby.
Look at? Look at the baby?
Well, you look at them, but what if they cry? You take care of them.
Look after. Look after.
Bingo! Look after. It means you watch and help someone.
Oh, like a baby or a dog. I look after my dog.
Perfect example. Now, number 3.
Give it to me. I am a master.
You are excited for a party tomorrow.
Excited. I look happy.
No, it has to be a direction, like up or down.
Look front.
Close, not front, but forward.
Look forward. Wait, look forward to?
Yes, look forward to.
Wow, that is 3 words. Look forward to.
I know. English is crazy, right?
It really is. It's like a big puzzle.
A very big puzzle. But you are putting the pieces together.
I am. I feel really good.
So how many did you get right?
I think maybe 2.5.
2.5 is a good score.
What about the listeners?
Yes, listeners, how did you do?
Did you beat me? Probably not. I am the king of luck.
Okay, King, let's give them one more.
A bonus question?
Yes, for homework.
Oh, I hate homework, but okay.
If you respect someone a lot, you look what?
Oh, don't tell me. Let me guess.
No, don't say it. Let the listeners guess.
Oh, right. Sorry. Keep it a secret.
Yes, put your answer in the comments below.
If you respect someone, look. Wait, I think I know it.
Good. Keep it in your head, Lucas.
My head is full of English today, Luna.
That is the goal. Practice every day.
And subscribe to us, right?
Exactly. Please like and subscribe to English Pod Center.
Yes, English Pod Center is the best.
Thanks for learning with us today.
See you next time, guys. Look out.